Wait, wrong smartphone with a bigger battery. I'm not gonna talk about this. We are here to talk about the Galaxy S11, which for sure won't go kaboom. At least I think. So after taking a big rest of 2 whole years and not investing in bigger batteries because Sammy was scared, just this year Samsung started to increase the battery size going from 4100 mAh in the S10 Plus and 4300 mAh in the Note 10 Plus. But you guys,
anoint your hats, folks, cause you ain't seen nothing yet.
the battery capacity of the Galaxy S11 series smartphones will literally blow away your mind. We have the battery capacity of all the smartphones, so let's chronologically start from the smallest. The smallest of the Galaxy S11 packs a bigger battery than the biggest of the Galaxy flagships just 2 years ago. The Samsung Galaxy S11e is going to feature a battery somewhere between 3800 to 4000 mAh, whereas on the other hand the S9 Plus only had 3500 mAh. The Galaxy S9 Plus has a full 27% more volume than the S11e, but still somehow has 10.2% of a smaller battery. And yes, I did the math myself, and now when I look at my S9 Plus, I wanna throw it away. Then the battery of the biggest Galaxy S11 Plus is coming at a whopping 4500 mAh. No, I'm just kidding. It's a full freaking 5000 mAh cell. That is, if I'm not wrong, the biggest to be ever put on a mainstream smartphone. This huge cell should give us a legendary battery life. Suck on that, iPhone 11 Pro Max Super Mega Gigantic Enormous. Cool name. So now, we don't have exactly the battery of the Galaxy S11, but considering that the S11 Plus is coming at 5000 mAh and the S11e is almost reaching 4000, so the S11, which is the middle ground phone, should have a middle ground battery of around 4500 mAh. At the moment of recording, this 4500 mAh battery is an assumption, but considering all the factors, it should better be around 4500 mAh or so. This huge battery life is mainly there to run the power hungry display of 120Hz, probably, and 5G. It has been rumored that all the Galaxy S11 models will have a 5G version. I'm not saying that every single Galaxy S11 will be 5G, I'm saying that all the Galaxy S11e, S11 and the S11 Plus will have some sort of 5G variants in some selected countries, and the rest of the countries will get just normal 4G variants. At this point, I'm like, Samsung, just shut up and take my money. Let me know, are you guys also going to get the Galaxy S11 series of smartphones, and what do you think about this increased battery sizes? I'm personally really impressed. I will cover more details of the Galaxy S11 in coming videos, so for that I will encourage you to subscribe, hit the like button for the Galaxy S11, and as always guys, thanks for watching.